Just finished greasing up. And although you have this chart on both sides of the combine, which is very handy, one of the big reasons I bought this combine was because previous owner has marked where every grease nipple is. The camera maybe not really showing it, and how many hours you have to do it. See down there and everything, all marked. Very, very handy. And really showed me that he did care and was interested in making sure that he was servicing it regularly and keeping it right. Just have to make sure we give her a good clean and a good blow down now to get rid of any excess, because we don't want any fires. Another example of the marks for the grease nipples. We'll get the airline at it now, give it a good blow out. So, it's a good 45 minutes later. Radiator and the air filter. I think it's very important to make sure they're clean so that the combine's running cooler. Less chance of fires, fingers crossed. Now I think it's time for a quick shower before we get started. Absolutely black with dust. Actually day 3 of wheat harvest. I haven't really done much talking or video in the first couple of days. One has been busy, and 2 I've had to listen to the laddie beeper. The must be a broken wire going to the straw chopper, and it thinks it's running at too slow a speed. There's nothing wrong with the straw chopper, but just don't have time to do too much with it at the moment, so we'll have to keep going, listen to the noise. But unreal weather for harvest. So we're chopping the headlands of all the fields of wheat, and we're actually chopping some of the fields completely because there's no demand for straw, and with the price of potash at roughly £850 a tonne, I think the money well spent at the moment to chop the straw back in, considering there's no demand for it either, then people aren't willing to pay the correct price. We'll bale the middles of some of these bigger square fields here that are very handy, and it gives us a bit to have. just like that, folks, winter wheat harvest is complete. Just as the sun sets over the horizon there, and this last field was our trial plots. We'll put the results of those up now.